Located on the beautiful Mornington Peninsula, this unique building looks out over water on two sides. Hamilton travels to Victoria. We stayed at the RACV Cape Schanck Resort in a secluded part of the Mornington Peninsula with views over both Bass Strait into the ocean and Port Phillip Bay on the way to Melbourne. Room prices start at $300 with a view over the landscape and a normal bathroom, all the way up to $2,500 for a suite with views over the water and a freestanding spa that also has views over the water. Our room had plenty of wardrobe space, great stock and quality in the minibar, and the TV was a great size for the room. The bathroom was comfortable and roomy with a full-size bath. Glass floor-to-ceiling windows include a large sliding door to a generous balcony with table and seat setting and uninterrupted views of the water, either the Bass Strait side or the Port Phillip Bay, and the golf course. The amenities on the bottom level were tucked into all of these curves, which at times made it confusing to navigate around the building. All amenities were well equipped and perfectly executed to keep guests entertained. The resort is isolated, but it does its very best to cater for both couples and families. So here on the ground floor, there is a family-friendly Italian-inspired restaurant, a pool and 2 heated spas, a sauna, children's games room and a day spa for anyone wanting to be pampered. This level also features a fully equipped gym next to a room fitted out with a golf trackman, which is basically an indoor driving range. However, the weather was good enough and we headed to the golf pro shop. For his birthday, I bought Mr. Hamilton a hat, hired a buggy and set of Callaway golf clubs for 18 holes, total cost of $190. Stunning scenery and nice looking course. There is also a driving range and a heap of kangaroo spectators. Back at the resort and up to the first level, there are 3 dining options. The first is a hatted restaurant called Cape, which we didn't get a chance to enjoy thanks to the staff. The second, called Samphire, is a fine dining restaurant, comfortable, wait staff are very accommodating, but the portion sizes were a bit small. The final one we tried was the Cape Bar, situated between the 2 restaurants with a classic menu and very nice burgers. Cape Schanck is an easy 1 hour and 30-minute drive from Melbourne Airport, and it is close to some great locations that will fill your days, such as the Cape Schanck Lighthouse and the Peninsula Hot Springs. We have more videos on those 2 and other locations coming up, so stay tuned. Would we stay here again? No. Nothing about it left us wanting to return. Would we recommend it to others? Absolutely. It was really comfortable, secluded and upmarket, if that's your thing. If you want to stay near the action, a range of restaurants and the tourist spots, then this place is not for you. But get packing and happy travels.